Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my own nails. I have been wanting to do my own nails for a hot minute now. My friend Naya here on YouTube does her own nails, and she has been like really inspiring to hop on the trend. So I have been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, and I felt like for me the easiest, that's my bird and he's not gonna zip it. I apologize, this is the second time I filmed this, okay? So like I was saying, I watched a lot of videos. I didn't even know that in the nail world there were so many freaking ways of doing your nails. I only knew about acrylic, press-ons, regular polish, and dip and gel polish, but I didn't know that there's jelly tips, that there's a polygel, that there's like so much you can do. So out of the videos that I saw, I felt like for me the easiest would be polygel, so that's what I ordered, and that's what we're doing in today's video. I did think it was gonna be a lot easier, but it also wasn't as hard as I thought. I just really need to practice. So anyways, please don't watch this video thinking like, oh my gosh, her nails are gonna turn out bomb AF, because they turn out. Let's just say that. But anyways, I hope that you guys like this video. I did order jelly tip nails because that's what Naya uses, and I feel like it might be a little easier because it's easier to shape because they're already shaped for you. They're literally like press-on nails, but advanced. Like they don't pop off, and then you can just like do more with them. So anyways, when those come in, I will film a video using those here on my channel, so you know, stick around or whatever. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. This is 100% me doing my nails for the very first time. I've never done my nails aside from nail polish by myself. So I hope you guys liked it. If you do, please don't forget the big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share the video because you know it helps out your girl. And without further, let's just dive right in to today's video. So I ordered the COSCELIA Polygel extension, I believe that's what it's called, and it came with a 36 watt nail lamp, 6 polygel, a top coat and a base coat, 50 nail mold tips, 1 double head stainless nail pen, 1 pink makeup brush, 10 nail polish cleaning wipes or wraps, 2 nail sanding files, 2 1,000 piece crystal nail rhinestones, 5 gold nail stripping tape, random colors, 10 nail polish remover wipes, 2 nail separators, 1 cuticle oil, 1 cuticle fork, 1 curved tweezer, 1 nail cutter, 1 slip solution, 2 nail stickers, and a glass cup. And here I am showing you all the shades. And now I'm going to start by prepping my nails, and I'm going to start off by filing. I will have this kit linked in the description box in case you're interested in purchasing it. I bought it for $48.99, and it did take about 2 months to get. It was on back order, but I also ordered it during the pandemic, so I'm pretty sure you can get it sooner, but just keep that in mind. It did take a while. And I also ordered these French tips. They're clear, and right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to size and find the length for me. And I also bought these on Amazon, and I will have them linked down below along with the glue that you see right down below. I'm really sorry about this angle as well. I'm not the greatest. Obviously, this is like my first time doing this. So I'm cutting up the glue, and look what happens. Yep, I glued my fingers together, and it hurt from moving. Yeah, I can't believe I did that, but moving on. I'm applying some glue to my nails. So now I have the tips on my nails, and obviously I'm gonna cut them. They're not gonna stay this long. I know there's a lot of people that rock nails like this. I cannot. I actually left them pretty long for me. I just didn't know how short to cut them. See, that looks short, but it's really not. And this right here is the base coat, so you have to apply a thin layer on your nail. Mainly just your nail, not the tip, and then you have to cure it for, I believe, 30 seconds, but the lamp is either you turn it on and you turn it off on your own, or it has 60 seconds and it also has 120 seconds. So yeah, so I ended up choosing the second color, and this is the slip solution that comes in the kit. Also, I thought the kit was going to come a little more professional looking from like the videos I've seen, but it actually came in a box and then everything was in a bag. So this is the brush that comes with the kit. So it comes with a brush on one end, and the other side is, what is it called? Oh gosh, what is it called? Like a paddle thing? I don't know. And this is the polygel right here. You can either use the molds that come with it, which I did try before I used it, and I don't know, I just felt like it was a little harder for me, so that's why I used the tips. And I am filming only the right hand. I did the left hand off camera, so you're not going to see the left hand, but I decided to do my right hand first just because I figured if I had nails on the left, I was just gonna, it was gonna be harder for me to do. So anyways, so here we are, and basically in order for you to move the polygel, you need to wet the brush so that you can move the solution. And it wasn't so hard, honestly. Like, it definitely moves when the brush is wet, and then once the brush gets kind of dry, then you can tell because it starts sticking to your brush and you just gotta wet it. And so now I'm curing it and I'm drinking my tea, as you can see, my green tea. And I cure it for 60 seconds. And I did like one finger at a time, but then when I got to my left hand, I just was like, okay, I'm advanced now, clearly. And I did like several fingers at once. But really, you should do one at a time, because if you end up dinging your finger, then you have to start all over. So yeah, so I'm just showing you my other finger, and I'm like trying to get close to the camera so you guys can see, but honestly it's really hard at this angle that I'm at to show you guys, but hopefully you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. I'm basically just doing small strokes, patting it, moving the product back and forth, and making sure that, you know, it looks good. Once you're done with curing and doing your nails, then you want to grab one of these wipes to remove like the stickiness, because your nails will be sticky. And then after that, you can go ahead and file and shape your nails. So I still need a lot of practice, obviously, using this polygel and also shaping, because my shaping is like really off. And I ended up doing like a French tip on my nail. Honestly, I was just like really just practicing. I wasn't like trying to do anything extravagant. And here is the top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and apply top coat on all my nails. And then I decided to put some gems on two of my nails. And honestly, I now regret it, because I feel like my nails look very kiddish, because these rhinestones are like colorful, and it's just like not my vibe. I actually don't even like the color on my nails. I prefer more of like a nude nail, but I don't have nude polygel yet. I have to buy, I have to buy some. But yeah, so I apply top coat on my nails, and then I apply the gems, the rhinestones, and then I cure my nails for 60 seconds. Now, when you have your hand in the LED light or the UV whatever lamp, sometimes you can feel like your fingers are burning. So if you do feel that, just go ahead and insert and take out your fingers so it doesn't burn you. And then this right here is the cuticle oil. So I'm going to go ahead and apply cuticle oil to all of my fingers. And then we are pretty much done, ladies and gentlemen.